Next road, turn right. Let's go in the bus. And stopping. Speed here so you can see properly and go around. That's good. Keep it to the left and go ahead and follow the road round to the right and end of the road. Around and go ahead. End of this road, turn left. Signal, come to the left, check your left mirror again. Check your left mirror again when you're turning for cyclist, okay? Your observation is really weak. Okay, you look there, you don't look to the left. Look, yeah, when you're turning, then safe here. And next road, turn right. So mirror signal, go in the protective box, look at the floor marking, look for the arrow. Look for the arrow is here, so we turn from here. It's safe here. We follow the road ahead now. Speed is 30, remember, your speed is okay. So check your inside mirror right, go to the right. Check your right mirror again, then left mirror. Now check your left mirror, inside left, come to the left. Now follow the road round, go ahead. We're approaching a roundabout soon. On this roundabout, you're gonna go ahead, second exit. Speed is okay. Just follow the road ahead. from here. So remain in this lane, keep it to the left. Follow the road round to the left. Assess your roundabout from here. Start your assessment. Keep looking around, left, right mirror, inside mirror, come to the left. Look, when it's safe, we'll go ahead. When it's safe, keep more to the left in your lane, signal left and come off. Mirror checks, left, right both, inside. Here, now follow the road ahead. We're approaching a mini roundabout. On mini roundabout, go ahead. Second exit. So we reduce our speed. Look at the black car. He's not signaling. Now go. Next mini roundabout, go ahead. Second exit. Check on your right. Right, no one approaching. It's safe, so we go ahead. Mirror checks again on your leaving point. Go ahead. Next mini roundabout, go ahead. It's a closed junction, so we need to be careful. On approach, you look on the right. If it's safe, then we go ahead. Look on your right. No one's approaching, so go. It's safe to go. Follow the road ahead. At the traffic lights, turn right. Close to the center line, go ahead. You stop behind the white car, you need to signal. That's good. So when you're stopping, keep a good safe distance so you can see his wheels. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So you turn right from here. Keep your car to the left and the next road turn left. Slow down, look at the big lorry. Keep our car to the left and look in the road. Now follow the road ahead.